Greeting and welcome all on behalf of NIMI Chennai. I am G. Rajeshwarna from National Skill Training Institute, Chennai. Today our topic is standard and standardization. So, what is standard and standardization? If we want to buy a bolt and nut, we are going for a shop and we are asking the shopkeeper to give a bolt and nut. So, what he will do? He will definitely ask what size of the bolt and nut do you want. So, we have to say the correct specification of the bolt and nut, then only he can give us a correct size what we need. One more example, A4 size paper. So, whatever the paper brand, the dimensions of the A4 size paper is always same. So, the dimensions of A4 size paper is same, the dimensions of A3 size paper. So, whatever the brand, they maintain the same dimensions for the papers. So, this is what we call as a standard. And what is standardization? The process of creating or maintaining the standard with guidelines is called standardization. Standardization is the process by which the quality, the quantity and the value performance is compared and measured with the standard units. The standardizations can be applied to any performances, any task, any process that is relevant to the organization. Let us see in detail about standard and standardization. So, first one, standardization. Standardization is the process of formulating and applying rules for an ordinarily approach to specific activity. Standardization ensures the benefit of the user and the manufacturer. It promotes optimum overall economy with the consideration of functional conditions and safety requirements. It is based on the consolidated results of science, techniques and experience. It determines not only the basis for the present, but also for future development and to keep pace with the progress. Next, standard. Standard can be defined as the formulation established verbally in writing or by any other graphical method or by means of a model, sample or other physical means of representation to serve during a certain period of time for defining, designating or specifying certain features of a unit or basis of measurement, physical object, an action, process, method, practice, capacity, function, duty, right of responsibility or a behavior or an attitude, a concept or a conception. I hope now you understand what is standard and what is standardization, right? Okay. Now let us see what is ISO. So, ISO, which stands for International Organization for Standardizations. Throughout the world, there are so many products, goods, equipments are manufactured day to day. So, the manufacturers are importing and exporting their goods not only within their country, but throughout the world. So, the tools or any equipments or any materials which is produced in any country should be of certain standard. So, to meet this standard, to maintain the standard, the International Organization for Standardization ISO has been started, and it specifies the units of measurement, technology and symbols, products and process, safety of persons and goods through a number of booklets coded with ISO number. According to our country, to sell Indian goods in local and international market, certain standardization methods are essential. This standard is specified by the Bureau of Indian Standard (BIS) for various goods through their booklets. BIS is commonly known by ISI. The BIS certify the product only when the product meets the specification and passes the necessary test. The manufacturer allows to use the BIS, that is ISI mark, on the product only after the BIS certification of the particular product is available. Next, the standard organization and the respective countries are given below. BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard, commonly known ISI, the country India. ISO, International Organization for Standardizations. Next one, JIS, Japanese Industrial Standard, the country Japan. BSI, British Standards Institutions, which is located in Britain. Next one is DIN, Deutsche Industries Normen, which is located in Germany. Next one is GOST, located in Russia. Last one is ASA, American Standards Association, located in America. So now you know what is standard, what is standardizations, the organizations for standardizations and the benefits of standardization. Thank you all. See you in our next video.